Okay, so here we have the Ellie 120XE with the rudder kit in yellow. Here's the back hatch, here's the front hatch. I just added for this front hatch an eyelet with a cord running to one of the existing eyelets just so that it doesn't get lost. You'll also notice extra carabiners dotted around here, going through the existing eyelets, and then this cord that you see going to this back carabiner. I added one more eyelet right there. That allows you to have this whole anchor trolley system, which can always, with the help of this little mooring clamp, lock it in place and your anchor stays right there. We've also added a couple of these little white plastic, ultra high molecular density plastic nodules to the deck. Here on the back you can see that I've got a coil of aluminum round bar, and it fits into the slot as long as you don't trap your rigging along with it. Fits into the slot nicely to hold your fishing rod in place, either this direction or the other direction. And up front it would point towards the bow or the stern. It's up to you. Next on the to-do is better padding and lumbar support.